Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol PLTR. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, I don't want to say this, an updated video here, but more so kind of the word to be using here would be confirmation. So more so a confirmation video now. This will mean all a little bit more to those of you if you watched the videos previously. But even if you didn't, as a quick kind of recap, talked about that red line being a key level of resistance to watch going forward, right up there around, give or take, the $10.40 mark. And when it comes to update, no, that's not really a new level. I've already talked about it. But as far as confirmation, yeah, definitely got confirmation that that level is indeed an area of resistance. You can see that this morning. The price tried to make a move up there, found some resistance right around that area, and then got smacked back to the downside. So while I'm not saying that $10.40 is impossible and the price will never, ever be able to break up above it, I'm just saying that much more confirmation that it is an area of resistance, and there's going to be that many more eyeballs on it. It stands out just that much more, which is important, because when a lot of people are watching the same level and wondering the same thing, call it a self-fulfilling prophecy, call it whatever you want, it can definitely produce some very dynamic movements, and that's what that level represents. So nothing is guaranteed, but my point here is this. If the price were able to work its way back up to 1040 and then get a break up through there, it's a more than logical thought to have that could, produce quite a bit of upside buying pressure. So definitely keep a close eye on 1040 moving forward as far as resistance levels. As far as supports, yeah, you still have this overall level down at the 965 mark, but in the very near term, the level that I'm very curious about, and again, a lot of people have noticed this, and when a lot of people are noticing it, self-fulfilling prophecy, call it whatever you want, but this area right here at the $10 mark, it's looking like, not guaranteed, but valid to think that if the $10 mark fails, that could create quite a bit of downside selling pressure, so much so that I would not be shocked at all to see the price go down there and revisit the 965 mark if the $10 mark fails, because so far so good. It's been tested once, twice, 3 times, 4 times, actually 5 times, and that general area has held strong each and every time. But if it doesn't, well, then I would definitely look for some more additional downside selling pressure. But yeah, it's definitely going to be a very interesting Friday, so let's see how this one closes out the week. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only 1 losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.